Me name Yardie belly, me have the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, me a set the place on the jam to be active. Me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly, a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today in Yardie Belly's kitchen we are making an Hawaiian favorite, but we're jazzing it up to suit our Caribbean taste. We're making poke bowls, guys, and I'm not just making a regular poke bowl, I'm making two different types of poke bowl. Right now you're looking at our vegan version of poke bowl, and of course here is the original version, albeit it is totally jazzed up to be a Caribbean version, a Jamaican version, and it not go normal. Remember me tell you. Let's get into the kitchen and see exactly how we make this crazy poke bowl. So first and foremost, we want to start with some sushi grade tuna, because poke bowls or poke is actually the Hawaiian version of sushi. Yes, man. So we're using raw fish, guys. Raw fish. In this case, we're using tuna. The wifey don't like raw fish, so I'm gonna be dicing these up very, very small so to suit her taste. But again, the poke bowls are layers of ingredients that are set in a bowl and served over a bed of rice. I'm starting with some carrots. I'm cutting my carrots into julienne, and this will be served raw. Almost everything in the bowl is gonna be raw, by the way. All right. Then we have some cucumber or cucumbers, and we're going to slice those thinly, and then we're going to get into the marinade. Here I'm cutting some ginger, and you want your ginger to be finely cut. Yeah, if you can mince it as fine as you can, yeah, work with that. All right. Once your ginger is minced finely, you're going to put it to the side. Remember now, everything here that we're putting together is a part of the marinade for the poke. I'm putting some scallion down. Again, you want it as thin as possible because all of this is going to be used raw. All right? Yeah. Boy, check out my knife skills, man. And anybody brilliant so with the knife, you understand? But be careful when you do it because you're not as skilled as me. Now you have the tuna, guys, and you want to cut the tuna into small dices. As I said, you can cut it as big as you want and as small as you want it, depending on your taste. All right, so now I'm going to layer in my ingredients into the bowl. I'm adding in my garlic, then I'm adding in some oyster sauce. Yes, guys, you want to put your oyster sauce in, all right? And the thick oyster sauce, them hard to come out of the bottle, so. And you don't want to over salt it, so be careful. Don't put too much. All right? So once you're done with the oyster sauce, then I have my soya sauce package that me tea from the fast food stores. Well, me not really tea it. Me get it with the food, but you know me carry to them. All right? So you're adding some soya sauce. And of course, guys, you want to also add some ginger. And I have my ginger already in the container there. I'm also adding in some sesame seed oil, all right? And again, I am not a measurer, so I don't have it in measurement. I'm adding in some apple cider vinegar. In this case, I'm using some red wine vinegar because you want some vinegar. The vinegar, like, guys, will sort of cook the fish, yeah? It will allow for the fish to oxidize a little bit. So you have to be prepared to use up your fish almost immediately. Then you want to get a red onion or any onion that you so choose, and you want to just dice it up. Yeah, again, you want to dice these very, very small, and you're gonna add them to your fish. All right. Now I have some sesame seeds, and I have the white one, and of course I also have the black one, and you're gonna add your sesame seeds at this time. And remember, guys, if you don't have the black one, you're good. You know, not anybody have the black sesame seeds, but they are available out there on the market. And the sesame seeds are really, really nice. And it just makes a difference when you look at it aesthetically. All right. Now, to kick up this poke bowl a notch, I have to add some Jamaican elements. So here I have some mild jerk seasoning that I will be adding to my poke bowl. And guys, may I tell you the truth, it makes a difference. All right. Now, normally, it calls for some type of spicy ingredients to be added to the poke bowl. And this is where my jerk seasoning come in. Now, because of the wife, I can't add as much as I want, but you can add any amount you want. So I'm adding some jerk seasoning to bring that spice element to my poke bowl. And once that is added, guys, you just want to mix it in. Yeah, and you're gonna allow this to marinate. Now it can be served right away. Yes, it can be served right away. But you can allow it to marinate a little bit. While this is marinating, guys, I am going ahead now and preparing the vegan version of the very same thing. Yes, but in this case, I'm also adding a little bit more garlic. Yeah, I'm adding some sweet garlic to this one, not the regular normal garlic. And I'm putting the same exact things in it, yeah, including my ginger and everything. But the most important point to this dish is what makes it vegan. Yes, I'm making poke bowl, but I'm making it vegan, guys. Here I am adding the very same ingredients that I did before, so I don't have to go over them. But I want you guys to stick around and see what makes this dish vegan and what changes and what is just a whole different. Well, let me say it this way. What is the game changer for this vegan poke bowl? Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, I'm add some apple cider vinegar. Guys, watermelon is the game changer. Here I have small dices of watermelon, guys. Fresh watermelon. Seasoned just like how I seasoned the tuna. Marinate just like how I marinate the tuna. Everything the same exact way, but just not the tuna. If you don't like fish, if you are scared of eating raw fish, if you are vegan and you don't want any type of animal protein in your body, you can make this poke bowl and you don't lose anything. As a matter of fact, it's somewhat nicer than the tuna. Yeah, because the wife will love it. So here we are finishing up our watermelon, marinated watermelon to establish our poke bowl. So let's start with the rice. We're putting down some rice, and guys, you can use sushi rice, you can use Chinese rice, any type of rice you have, use it. It really works. Make sure the rice hot though, because that's important. That's an important factor. All right. So I'm just putting down some rice, and then we're gonna add our elements to make it a poke bowl officially. So the first thing we want to put down is our cucumbers. And guys, you can put them any how you want to. We just want to layer it so it look good. So we're putting our cucumber first. And then we have our carrot sticks, our julienne carrots. And once you put those down, then you have your edamame. And of course, edamame is simply soya beans, and it is very flavorful, very good for you, healthy. Yeah, so you can work with that. And here we are putting in our official poke, yeah, so to speak. This is our watermelon poke, and we're adding it to the rice. Guys, you would not believe the rice and watermelon can eat. It tastes so good. Guys, I'm not telling a lie. You have to try that when you're in your neck of the woods. If you have never had poke before, or even if you're used to having it, there's so many different versions. Salmon, chicken, tuna. Here I made a quick jerk aioli sauce, which is pretty much jerk seasoning with a little bit of mayonnaise and ranch. Yeah, but don't tell nobody. And that's it, guys. That's it. I can't tell you how this tastes good. Yeah, you have to try this. No, there's no two ways about it. You have to try this in your neck of the woods. You understand? We did the same exact thing and did our regular tuna bowl. And so, guys, we had the option of trying both. And I promise you, they both had merit. They both held their standard. They both were tasty. They both were nice. It's just your preference. But this is the example of what a tuna bowl is, guys. I do hope that you get to try this in your neck of the woods. You understand? Try it, man. You will love it. You understand? This is Yardie TV, and we're out here doing some special things. The watermelon poke bowl was great. It was awesome for any vegan person out there. You have to try it. And of course, the tuna bowl was also exceptional. Yeah, here we go. Yardie Belly TV doing some crazy things out there. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV doing it right. Big up on yourself. And of course, remember, live and laugh, cook, and eat. Yeah, Yardie Belly TV says so.